Hey, what's up guys, Angan is here and today we're gonna do something crazy. Today I'll make a 3D hologram using some cheap and very simple materials, and you can make that at home and download. So before starting this video, make sure to subscribe this channel cause more DIY videos are coming soon. Enjoy this video. As you can see, this is just great. Using some simple materials, it's epic. You can have fun with it, especially kids will like this very much. So guys, again I said please sub this channel and also like, comment and share this video. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care everybody and bye bye.